Guys, well, we're here at Frogwater Pond, and I am generally curious what's in here. So let's give it a couple of casts with my net, see what species we get. Got dark 9-spine stickleback, beautiful fish. And then here we got the most gorgeous stickleback ever. Okay, let's put him back. Here we have a water hog, same family as woodlouse and all, and they are in the same member as crabs and lobsters. Cool. Oh, so colorful. Alright, let's put this tadpole back. Here you go, guys. That's an up-close image of a caddisfly in its little casing that I made. Guys, we got one of the largest water boatman I've seen in a long time. Now, not sure if they do bite, but it looks like this guy could give a powerful punch. Oh, that's a cool bug. Now they're still beetles, so they can still fly, but have adapted a swimming ability. Swim back. Oh, there it goes.